Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. Come through with all of you guys' parties and birthdays and the DIYs you're going to be doing. Check out this poster sticker pack. Now, these look really, really nice, you guys. Let me turn it kind of over so we can see what's going on there. So between the streamers and the balloons, and I kind of love how they've given them a little bit of dimension. This is really, really cool. And again, I think these are just at the $1.25 or the $1.50. Really, really nice. Definitely something to consider if you're doing some party DIYs. Okay, you guys, so what is this? I don't think I've seen this before. So it's claiming to be a 3-pack, let me pull it down, of gallery art prints. Okay, so I'm guessing, oh my goodness, let me turn this around, you guys. So it's basically 3 prints in here. I'm guessing that's one of them. It looks pretty good. I like the actual style and quality of it. Good size. They're 11 by 14 inch. And these are the 3 prints that you get in this pack. And then I only see 2, oh my goodness, if I can get that back on, versions, you guys. I think that's it. Yep, just the 2 versions. And then there's this set here. Let me turn it around, see if we can't get a better look at it. Okay. Now I like that because you're getting pretty good size prints for the $1.25. See if I can get this back on with my little one hand, you guys. You know how we do it. But I think that's an actually really good idea. I specifically really like these kind of boho style. I think there's a lot that you can do with that. Let me know if you guys have seen these in your store. Oh, check this out. I found more of those prints. You guys, let's see what this one's about. Okay. I think I've got it upside down. You guys know I'm doing this one-handed. So it's more of these gallery art prints, and this one's kind of like nature themed. I see some like butterflies. We've got a dragonfly and a couple of birds. Really cute. Let's see what the quality of the print is. These are actually not bad, you guys. The color looks really good. Again, the size on these is really, really nice. And you get that 3 print for the $1.50. Let's see, I'm going to put this here for a second. Let me just see if I can see any other styles that we didn't see before. Oh yes, check this one out. Check out this style. Oh, that's way cool. Okay. Super, super cute. Now let me flip this over. That's like my favorite part right now, you guys. Okay. So this is purple echinacea. Got it. Yeah, these are nice. Sorry, you guys. Again, you know I'm doing it one-handed here in the aisles. Again, good size. I love the price point for the 3 prints. And from what I can see from the back, they look pretty darn good. Let's see if we can see any more prints. We got to see all of them, right, you guys? Let's see if we can get any other ones. So that one we saw, that one we saw, that one we saw, that one we saw, that one we saw. So I think we've seen all of those. But what is this in front of me here? Oh my goodness. Okay. Same kind of thing, but it looks like they're smaller. So these are 8 by 10. And again, kind of prints like that. Let me get this around. Okay. Really pretty cool, you guys. Let me see if I can find some other sets here. I didn't mean to move you so fast. So it's this kind of, you know, boho one that we see all the time. There's that. Okay. Is this a different one? Oh, okay, cool. So like this kind of botanical style one. That's what that looks like on the back. Cute. And don't worry, guys, we will put all of these back. I'm just kind of keeping it moving. Oh, okay, interesting. This last one is really cool. I like it. So it's kind of like a black and white setup. Let me see if I can pull it around here. Really cool. I love that. This one's really nice. I could see easily fitting this into an 8 by 10 frame right here from the Dollar Tree and turning that into something really nice. So yeah, make sure you guys check these out if you're at the Dollar Tree. Okay, I've always got to check the kits, you guys, and because summertime is coming up and we need to keep the little ones occupied, I love this. Color your own firefly lanterns. What? What is this? So it's claiming that it's $3. I'm trying to understand what's going on. Okay, so you kind of get a pack of almost like, not fairy lights, but some lights, battery operated. And then they give you kind of, I guess these are cutouts and some markers. And the idea would be that you would color your own little, oh, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Tell me that this would not be just such a great thing to do with the little ones, or even just for us, for just us older people. But let me check this out. I see one other one here. Mosaic birdhouse. Okay. Now let's see what, I'm going to flip it over on the back so we can kind of see what's in it. Okay, so it's like a wood birdhouse cutout situation, a couple of pieces of paint, and then it looks like kind of like those mosaic kind of tiles in this pack. And again, these are $3 kits, but super cute. I love this. Let me know if you guys are seeing these kits in your store. Okay, so shout out to all my diamond painting friends. Check this new one out. Now, I should probably try this one, you guys. I have never diamond painted before, but I keep being told to start with like one of these smaller Dollar Tree ones. And I actually really love the colors of this delicious bee. Now, let me see what else we have. And don't worry, we will be putting these back. But let's just see. Oh, okay, I think we did see this one before, didn't we, guys? A nice little pretty summer one. Let me see if there's anything else back there. There's that one I think we also saw before. And then there's, ooh, if I can get my hands on it, y'all. There's this kind of one back there. But if I'm being 100% honest, this is like my favorite. I like these kind of retro colors. It's just so cute. I love that. And again, these are just $1.25. So if you, again, are looking to put together, oh, so this is kind of what's in it. If you guys are looking to put together like a quick craft pack or something for somebody, these would be a great addition to that. Oh my goodness, you guys. Check this out. It's a little dark in this store, but this is my first time seeing this diamond painting kit. So apparently it's a diamond painting bookmark. And it's, again, it's one of those complete kits that has all of the stuff in it that you need. And I see that style. Let me see. And then I see this one too. I'm always loving the kind of colors that I'm seeing here. And I guess I've never even seen this style of bookmark before. But let me know if you guys have seen it. And for those of you guys who diamond paint, if you have tried one of these bookmark kits before, because I think those are really cool. I love how Dollar Tree keeps coming out with all of these delicious kits, especially, like I said, with summer coming up. Oh, wow, you guys, wow. Now, you guys know I always look in the frame section, and I have to tell you, at no point in time, now this is a little bit wow too, because this frame is $3, and I have never purchased a $3 frame from the Dollar Tree, but check out this style. So it's this kind of ovular frame that has this thick kind of gold trim and then the white mat in it. Apparently it's matted for a 5x7 picture. I like that. I don't know if I would do $3, but I think it's a very cool design. And I think what makes it really cool is that I just have never seen anything of this shape inside of the Dollar Tree. Let me know if you guys have seen these. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.